Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you through 1 and 2p date run. I've been meaning to do this for a while. So if we look at the album, the first page I've left blank because I do have some half p somewhere. I've just got to find them. And this is the 1p date run. It starts in 1971 and I go through right up until today. The early ones, the proof coin I'm missing, which was the 1971 1p, and I've got several missing from the sort of 70s through to the 90s and through to 2006. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 21 missing on that page, which is not a good start, is it? And I have 4 missing on this page, which includes next year's, which I've not got yet. I do have a 2010, but it's a bunk version, it's not the circulated version. Next year, of course, we'll have the first Prince Charles one, which will be King Charles III one. I keep on saying Prince Charles. King Charles III's one in the the annual sets. So this really, the early ones. Now, if I look at my bag, I had a box of coins that were 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s, 20s, etc, etc. Let's just try and find them. Hold on a second. After I sorted through the 1p's, I had a bag, and this was a full bag, but I've got these left over. These are repeats coins. Of course, they're still circulating at the moment, so these aren't available for the swaps at the moment. I might use it for trading to try and get the coins that I'm outstanding. I'll also be looking probably now after Christmas at adding to this date run. Now the 2p's, 72 and 73 were proof ones. The rest of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on this page that I'm missing. The 83 was a proof and it wasn't released. I think also the 83, sorry, there was 2 83 coins released that I got down. There's the 83 standard and there's the 83 that was printed with new pence on it instead of 2 pence. So that's like an error coin or a mule type coin where the front and the back don't meet. Right, 83 they just started printing 2 pence, but there were a few that got through with 83 they started writing 2 pence, but there were a few that were circulated that said new pence. You find a lot of them are in the year sets though. There's a lot of them in the year sets. All the ones that people have found have been in the year sets. So that's up until 89. 1992, 95 are missing. That one there I'll need to replace when I find a better one. I think it's 98. Yeah, 98. And then I've got them through in a date run until 2009. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 2009. And then we got them through until 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Now I think I've got a 2021 somewhere, perhaps out of a bunk set. That's a 2022, and what was that one there for? That might be the circulating one that I'm waiting for. No, it's the 2022 circulated, so I'll need one from that. And that's a 2021 circulated, because both of those are both bunks. I think that's right. Anyway, let's just take a quick gander at the actual dates on the coins. Let me get me a little magnifier out. Yeah, that's a 2021. That's a 2021, that's a 2020, 2021 and 2022 bunk are the last two coins. So 21 circulated. And I think that's a 2020 circulated one that I'm missing. Yep. So I'm waiting on finding out about circulating numbers, but I've got one for 2021, 2020, 2021 and 2022 circulated coins. I'm not 100% sure on, at this moment in time, whether they are circulating or not. And there you go, look at all those twos there that are repeats of the ones I've already got. I will be searching through the 1p's and the 2p's for Christopher to see if there's any extra 2000 coins. So for his world record, now that I've sorted this out. The third part, who remembers these? It's the larger 5p. And that went all the way down to 1990. So it went from the first one in 68, I think that is. It's 68 or 69. The first large 5p came out. Let me just check for you. It's either 68 or 69 we started. Yeah. It's 1968 that the first 5p's were produced, which was just before decimal. The rest of the decimal coins were announced. The 5p and the 10p came out in 68 first of all. So you got 68, 69, 70. 71 was the year that we got the first 5p, or it was the year of going into decimalisation. 72 was proof, as was 73 and 74 and 76. I think 81 was proof as well. Then we come down and then we get a whole series of 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 of them that were business strikes, or they were called business strikes only, according to the paperwork. Now, I'm not sure if these business strikes actually went out into circulation. They probably did, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm missing 84 and 82 from ones that were circulating, certainly, and 87, 89. Now 90 was a business strike in the larger size. The smaller size also started in 1990. And I'm missing 3 of the first, what was it, 3 of the first 6 years. Then missed 98 and 99. Got the year 2001, which is a small one, as you know. And then I'm missing 04, 07, 08, 11 and 18. 23 hasn't been issued yet, obviously. So this is the run of the smaller ones. And this is what I had left over from the small 5p's. Just look at all of those. Again, I'll search them for Christopher for the year 2000. However, we also have the larger version. And this was the boxes. I just dragged that out. This is a box, and these were full of these bags here. Before I started my date run off earlier on this week. Oh. Which is just before Boxing Day, which is just before November the 5th. And this is the old 5p's. Now there's an awful lot of them, of the old size 5p's. Now I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these 5p's as yet. Let's bring that back down again. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this bag of 5p's. I may use it for swaps for the ones that I need, or what I might do with this video is actually list all the coins I'm outstanding and ask if anybody's got any swaps that they want to do. So that's the old 5p's. That ends this particular book. I hope you've enjoyed me going through these coins. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up? And also I'm trying to grow my subscribers. Like the thumbs up. The subscribing won't cost you a penny, so if you've enjoyed this, give me the thumbs up. If you've enjoyed a couple of the videos, then please think about joining. It doesn't cost you anything, and I'd love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins, banknotes, militaria, and also the other collectible. That ends the actual the review of the update of the coins in the date run for the 1s, the 2s and the 5p's. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get them for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.